Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another practice. Good weather, morning vibes. Let's work out full body mobility and flexibility. So let's start as always with deep breaths and then we move forward. Take a deep breath. Then exhale. One more. Then exhale. Starting with upper body, neck and thoracic spine. People lack of mobility, so we need to improve that. Place your arms behind your head, take a deep breath. Drive your elbows forward. Then inhale again. Exhale and push your chest forward, elbows towards the side. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you close your elbows in front, inhale deeply. We're gonna rotate with your left one backwards. 2, nice. 3, 4, the last one, 5. You open all over. Push your left elbow towards the side, hold 3, 2, 1. Then you close, you exhale, take a deep breath. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last one you open. 5. Push. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay. Arms on the ground. Take a deep breath. Rotate your pelvis. Pike your back from here. We're gonna relax our thoracic spine. Your arms are straight and push back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Activating your thoracic spine. 5. Shoulder blades is working. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, your left arm drives towards the left side. I will do side towards the side. Right arm. Exhale, open up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch to the left. Open up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Left leg on the ground, rotate your pelvis. From here, we're gonna flex a bit our hips. Make sure your knee is driving a little bit forward over the toes, but in the same time, not too much. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. One more. Forward and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more. 3 times on each side. And fold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can feel your hamstrings, you can feel your calves here, hips. First lock your core lower back and then drive forward and hold. 3, 2, 1, and back up again. Exhale and forward. Hold. 3, 2, 1. One more and hold. 3, 2, 1, and back up. Nice. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay. What we're gonna start with? We're gonna start with something very simple. First, plank position. From here, from plank position, we're gonna jump forward. Try to keep the back straight and up. Down, backwards to plank position and up. We're gonna do 20 as warm up. Take a deep breath. Here we go. Arms on the ground, plank position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Nice one. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply. One more. Then exhale. Okay. Starting with lower body legs. What I want you to do first. You get ready your left, right, elevate your heel. What we're gonna do, we're gonna step back, we're gonna bend our right leg, we're gonna step forward, then we're gonna drive our right knee up. So it goes 1, bend, forward, and push. 1, bend, forward, and push. We're gonna do 10 times on each leg. Take a deep breath first. Here we go. Right leg is working backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and rest. Nice one. This will help you with aging. We need to improve our stability because after, let's say, 35, maybe like 40 years old, we need to take care about how falling. What does that mean? If your body will be prepared with falling, then it will be maybe safer for you to control yourself in these kind of situations. So you need to have really good balance. You need to have like each side quite strong, ankle, knee, hip, all of this. Here we go, left one. Take a deep breath. Let's work 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, mixing up upper body, lower body, arms on the ground, knees on the ground. From here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna rotate, elevate our heels to touch. With your right arm, you touch your left knee, with your left arm, the right one. Here we go. We're gonna do 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're gonna do 2 times down dog. 1, 2, flexing our legs backwards. And here we go. 4 times with our arms, 2 sides on each, two times on each knee, and then 2 times we flex our knees to down dog. Here we go. Totally, we're gonna go 5 times. Rotate the pelvis, get ready, up, and 4, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, down dog. 2, this was 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, last one, 5, and you hold down dog for 10 seconds. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, step forward to plank position. Hold plank position 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, you continue, legs together. Rotate your pelvis, right arm only, left arm straight forward, hold plank position on one arm. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you switch left side, keep pushing, lock your core, lower back, everything, and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then your right elbow drives on the ground. Same thing, side plank on the elbow, but this time we're going to elevate our leg. Left arm in front, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch, left elbow on the ground. Same thing, right arm in front, right leg up, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you go in plank position on your elbows. Keep holding 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then release. Awesome. Arms in front of you. We're gonna elevate our leg, left leg up 10 times and go. 1, high, 2, push, 3, 4, nice, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we switch the right one. 1, 2, 3, high, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we switch the left one. 10. Here we go. 1, push, 2, 3, high, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we switch right. 1, 2, high, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Elbows closer to you from here. Knees, you need to keep your knees on the ground. Elevate your core tight and strong. Hold this shape 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, you're gonna elevate your left leg, hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch, right leg up, hold 10, 9, lock your core, lower back, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You switch again and left. 10, 9, higher, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You switch right and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Exhale. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Arms closer to your body. Upper facing dog. Push up. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up. Toes on the ground. We go to fully down dog. Hold down dog. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We continue from here. Plank position. From plank position, we're gonna push down, push up, go back to down dog. Here we go. 10 times. And plank position. Rotate the core, lower back, engage everything. Down, up, down dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold down dog. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your legs wide a little bit with your right arm. Try to touch your left foot. Push towards your left side. Feel the stretch on your left side of your shoulder blade. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. Exhale. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down dog.
Legs closer to each other. We're gonna do the same thing. Plank position, push down, push up. 10. Inhale. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down dog and hold. 5. Arms closer to each other. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release.
Awesome. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply. Then exhale. Okay. Adding some core. We need to, so from here, place your arms under your butt. Let me put my mic on the ground. Under your butt. From here, legs, if you can do with straight, I will do straight. If not, you can bend them and just drive your toes towards the ground. Make sure you keep your lower back flat. Everything is tight. Here we go. 10. And 2, 3, 4, flat back. 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10. From here, left leg on the ground, elevate your lower back and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Right leg is fully straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then again, you place your arms under your butt. You elevate your both legs. We're gonna do one more set of abs. So we're gonna switch to the right leg. Here we go. 10, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you bend your right leg, left leg fully straight up and hold. Push up as high as possible from the butt. Hold 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Awesome. Up. Sit down first. From here, let's add some hip mobility. Keep your lower back straight. Open your legs wide a little bit. Toes up. From here, we're going to rotate our hip towards the right side, back towards the left side. What I want to mention here is try to keep your legs, both of them in the same position. Try to rotate very slow. Try to work more hip joints. This is very important. We're gonna do 10 left, right. Take a deep breath. Keep the lower back straight. Rotate towards the right side. 1 and switch slow. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5. Knee should be closer to you. 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, one more. 10, awesome. Slowly stand up. Open your legs wider, bend your right knee. Your left leg drives all over straight towards the ground and hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, sit down. Cross your legs, take a deep breath. Exhale and rest. That's it. Take care of yourself. Don't forget, your body is your clock. Nobody will do it for you. Aging, it's a big problem, so you need to practice not only strength, you should have really good mobility, really good balance. Of course, you should be strong. So take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace out.